Hi. So you see, this question is about a pendulum which is hanging with a wooden bob of mass 50 grams at a length of 2 meter cord is fired into by a bullet of 75 gram. Okay, and the bullet emerges out of the bob with a speed v by 3. Right. So now the question is that, and the bob somehow completes the vertical circle. Right. The value of v you have to find. Such a beautiful question. Now you know that what is the minimum value at the bottom for a pendulum to complete its journey to the top. You know that concept, no? I'll explain that to you. So presuming this is R and or L will take R. Okay, so this also becomes R. So and the pendulum starts from here at a velocity say V initial. Okay. Now the only energy it has is kinetic energy. On top, presuming it has a speed which is V final. So V final has to be enough to provide centripetal force, which is being given here by the mass. And then there is another force acting on it, which is tension. So T plus mg is equal to mv final square over r. And T is almost zero. The string will slacken. Okay, so that means mg is equal to v square by r. So v on top is root of mgr, and when it reaches top, presuming this is the ground scenario, you are adding potential energy to the bob, which is 2r into mgh, which is 2 mgr, and kinetic energy because of this velocity is half mv square, which is half into m into mgr. Something happened. I think m I forgot to remove. So only gr. Half into m into gr. Right? That is 5 over 2 rg. So that is the minimum speed it should have to remain in the circular motion. So presuming that this is being provided by the velocity or the kinetic energy when it is at the lowest position, I mean in the equilibrium position, this has to equal half m velocity initial square, right? So that concept I have taken. I have used this ready image which says that at this point, this speed has to be root 5 gr. Okay, I mean the energy has to be root 5 gr for the bob to complete full circle, and energy lost is a 75 gram bullet has this momentum at the beginning 75 v, and that leads to 50 gram pendulum attaining root 5 gr plus 75 into v by 3. That is this is the velocity required, and this is the mass of the bob, and this is v by 3 is the, or v over 3 is the speed with which bullet goes out. So m1 v1 is equal to m2 u2 plus m2 v2, right? And we have used this to figure out 35v minus v over 3 is 50 into root 100, so v is equal to 10 meter per second square. I explained the concept of root 5 gr, from where that has come. So that was the most important in this. So interesting question, and this appeared in Jee Mains. Thank you. In case you still have some questions or doubts, you could put those in comments and I'll be glad to answer. Please subscribe this channel for more problems that get added as we go. Thanks a lot.